What a move to the upside here on the SPY, the S&P 500 index, testing key resistance levels. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator here in the middle of the day. And you could see it here popping up on the screen and on our Discord at 12:15 p.m. It hasn't gotten canceled and it lasted into the close. Full strength there on 42 vision and inflows as well. And call options went up over 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and join the members using 42 Vision and our bots and our inflow versus outflow, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. And it's a great way to learn charts if you're a learning investor, beginning investor, or even an experienced investor to get that clarity with the supports and resistance that our inflow shows and the strength of trends with our bull and bear indicators and the 42 vision indicators. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, having tight areas of resistance and support. And in the first half, in the pre-market, outflows were dominating 157,000 here. And you could see that here. The red is outflows dominating and the indigo/blue are the inflows. And you can see here outflows dominating, and it acted like resistance in the first half of the day. Every time it got into that area near 528, it would reject and come back down to 520. And it triple bottom here. And on the third time, as things were picking up, before that bull indicator even popped up, it was coming back up to retest that resistance, and inflows popped up. And you can see that there, indigo blue dominating, inflows dominating, less outflows. And that started to change the trend here with that extra confirmation of bull indicator, and things broke out even further to newer highs, hitting highs here of near 536 today. Now, in yesterday's video, we broke down the key levels that were critical here, and the first one was 529, 530, and then above that came 532 to 535, and we're up here near 533. Now, some slight outflows popped up here on the 5-minute, but if we go ahead and zoom in even further, and this is where 42 vision really shines, and it allows you to have that edge and see clearly the supports and resistance, followed by the strength of trends with our bull and bear indicators. And if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to get connected and equipped through the volatility of these charts and the markets, because volatility isn't going to go anywhere, and it's a great way to learn charts along the way through the volatility. And you can join the members. Check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected. So we could see those inflows picking up pretty quickly. A bull indicator down here at 525, and then a resistance breakout, right? It came up to that area and it broke through it. 529, 530, came up to 532, came back down, and inflows popped up again. Now there's a slight outflow here, very small though in total amount, 70 in volume. This is 524,000 in volume, and then it's holding itself up here above this level, and this is going to be a crucial support in the bigger picture. And then you have that tight range here of resistance in the after hours of 534, which I would just round that up to 535, where things rejected and slowed down into the close. And then you have this higher level of outflows in the historic levels of this chart. So when we zoom out even further and look at this from the 30-minute, we could see here that level of outflows that's critical, 555. We're certainly far away from it, but this is the first time inflows pop up again, and another bull indicator pops up in this consolidation as we pull away from the inflows that pushed us from 493 up to 546. And these inflows popped up here near that 520 to 528 area. We're above it. And then you have the resistance of 546, 545, and then comes up here 555. Now, when you go to the 1 hour, same thing, 550 area, and the 2 hour, you go ahead and see how we rejected 546. But we're under a bull indicator here since down here at 505. So if we continue with strength here, we may come back up and retest this area, which is a critical outflow area of 6.9 million. And you can see here 546 all the way up to the range of 570 is critical. But when we zoom back in, yes, 546, 545 is the first level. Then comes 550, and then on the 30-minute comes the 555 area, broken down based off the historic levels of these charts. Now we have multiple bull indicators, And let's zoom back in and let's break down the key levels I would watch within these levels. So the first thing is support. And if that gets broken through, it's going to be the 530 area. Then below that is 527, the lower levels of these outflows and where things slow down in the first half. And then below that is 522. To the upside, 535. Then comes the 540 area. And above that level, I'll be watching 546. And then as we saw and we zoomed out towards the 30-minute, that's a key level. And then comes 555. And then the 1 hour shows us the 550 area beginning as a crucial level. And then when we go all the way out towards the 2 hour, you got down here 546. So we see it zoomed in, we see it zoomed out. We have multiple bull indicators, and I'm going to be watching as we retest these key levels. And this is the most crucial 546, 545, because that's where we rejected after this run. As always, guys, if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to get connected over to our 42 vision indicators and join the members using it to navigate through the volatility with an edge over the charts and markets. We look forward to having you join us, and we'll see you then. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.